Alright, this is going to be post cabling, video inspection of sewer main for HomeServe client Ronnie Fellman. Invoice number 20152861. Exterior clean out underneath front bay window is going to be our access point. Pulled out a couple of balls of roots. Let's see what she looks like. Alright, so we've got cleanouts out here that were put in some years back. Transitions from PVC to old clay line at 4 feet 5 inches. Root infiltration here at 5 feet. Cleared those. A little bit of root there at 10 feet. Cleared them. This is where our main root blockage was here, right about 40 feet. I'm not seeing any significant cracking or breaking, no offsetting. Looks like we got a pretty good clean on the roots in that section of the pipe. Definitely flowing through here. All right. And city sewer 2IN at 50 feet 5 inches. Beautiful water flow at City Tap. No obstruction there at all. Water seems to be flowing beautifully into the city line. Alright, sewer line is intact, flowing, and completely serviceable for many more years to come. Preventative maintenance would be recommended yearly to keep roots under control, but at this point in time, sewer is working good.